Hi everyone, in this lecture I want to talk about the custom fields. If you recall, I mentioned before that you can define one specific parameter that you can add to your column. So to the format tab, you see right now I am in the Gantt chart view, and I go to the format and then I select custom field. A new window pops up. Here you can define if this field or parameter you want to create falls under the task, resource, or for example other. But I'm gonna say it's under the task and it is of the type, for example, number. I put number, and then here I'll just put this one rename and I say project 1 parameter 1, something like that, as whatever you want. And here I want to say that these values that you can display, it needs a graphical indicator. So if I say if the value equals to, for example, 4, put these, let's say if it equals to 5, I'm gonna just put it here, then put this color. If it equals to, let's say, 3, put it a yellow color, and if it equals to 1, put a red color. And I press OK, this parameter, and I can press OK here. So basically what will happen, if I come to my columns and I put insert a column, and here I type project 1, and I select project 1 parameter 1, and this parameter, this column is added to my table. And if I say, let's say I added 4 here, 5 here, and if I add 1 here, you see that this is added to your this indicator is added to your list. Let me for example select another parameter here. Instead of this one I put 3, you see that it is added here. Or if I put 5, you see. So there are several indicators that you can assign here. There are a bunch of options that you can select. So basically, let's say this is a custom field that I create. I can, based on my understanding from my task and how I want to manage it, I assign one code and then the indicator pops up here. So if I say 3 and I press for this task, or if I press for example 5, then it shows that this task, for example, is completed or whatever. It's basically a field that you define. So I can go to the custom field if I want to change, for example, my let's say the parameter. I have this parameter or the indicator. I can here, and then I can change the image. I could put plus if I press OK, and I press OK. Here you see that the sign is changed. So there's a bunch of options that you can define, many parameters depending on the project that you are working or the industry that you are working. You can use and benefit from these custom fields. You are doing great. See you in the next video.